This is the new Android desktop mode, and it's only available in the Google Pixel beta. And I wanted to give a quick little preview of it, as well as explain how to get this working if you're trying. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your mouse connected to your phone via Bluetooth. But you might log in and you might not have this. So when I first got on, I didn't see any of the applications. I just saw that and no mouse. And the issue is, it's a little bit of a bug, but when you go into external display, and if you rotate the screen, and then you rotate the screen back, you will get to see your mouse in the screen. So I'm just going to give a quick little preview of what's available in here, and I will link a video that's a little longer explanation, as well as has Taskbar, which adds a couple additional features such as widgets. But for now, I just want to show what Google offers. And it is, you have all your applications here. You could search your applications. They do have a really nice little keyboard that pops up, and you can hide your keyboard. They also, if you right click on any of your applications, you can add them to your home screen. And then you can right click and you can remove them from your home screen. Let's just look at a couple of these apps. So let's look at Calendar. So this looks great. I think this is kind of, made for this new environment. A lot of the Google apps play really nicely in here. Having said that, let me click right there and it's just going to disappear. So, which it's probably because it's collecting that like back button, but let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't play completely nicely. Let's see if we can get it. Oh well. Well, we will. I will show you Chrome, because Chrome does work pretty well in here as well, and I'm excited to see what else they do with this. There we go, Chrome. That's my web page. I have tried to open two of them at once. It doesn't work yet, but I'm sure they're getting there. And applications are resizing nicely, which is really nice. Let's try to close that. There we go. And it does import all of your tabs. So in the future, they're going to make it so that you can actually scroll between devices and make it more like Samsung Dex, which I believe this is built on Dex. But I'm excited. This is going to make working on an Android a lot easier. Oh, of course it doesn't resize, right? Let's find out if that is. Yep. But anyways, I will keep you updated on how this progress of this goes, as well as link a couple videos that go into more details about this. But really what I wanted to highlight was just, if you are having that issue and you want to have it, this is the workaround to be able to get to use the Android desktop mode. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Rando Tech Nerd out. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, consider liking and or subscribing to the channel. I also have a Discord that I will link down below, and I do a lot of 3D printing and tech related news. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing, and I will keep you up to date on everything.